Hey guys, today we're going to be making an Ojo de Dios, which means Eye of God in Spanish. To get started, you'll need 2 popsicle sticks, some yarn, and some scissors. Now the first thing you need to do is cross your popsicle sticks like an X. We're going to be securing this with yarn, but you could also take a hot glue gun with 1 dot and secure your sticks together like that. I'm going to use this piece of yarn first by wrapping it around the center and holding that extra little loop behind it with my finger. Then I'm going to wrap around 2 more times. Now holding it in place, I've turned the sticks and I'm going to wrap between these 2 parts 2 times. Now that I've secured the X in place, I'm going to start wrapping around each stick. So I go 2 times around, turn and go to the next stick, 2 times around. Turn and go to the next stick, 2 times around. Turn and go to the next stick, 1, 2, and I keep going, 2 times around each stick. Now, I've run out of string here, but that doesn't mean that I'm done. All it means is I need to get some more yarn, and you can change color at this point, and tie them together. So to tie the strings, I hold them together, I make a loop with my fingers by twisting it, and I take the part that's underneath and pull it over and through the loop. Then I pull it through to the other side, and pull it tight, and now my strings are tied together and I can keep going in my same pattern. Now you can see I've come to the end and the Ojo de Dios looks different from each side. To finish it off, I have my loose string here. I'm going to trim it so that I have a little tail left. I'm going to wrap it around one last time, and I'm going to actually tie it to itself. So I'm going to loop it underneath the last little line here, pull it into a loop just like when you tie your shoe, pull it tight, make sure it's secure, and trim the end. And there I have my Ojo de Dios. Now, if you're not comfortable tying knots, I suggest you practice. Again, you hold the 2 pieces of yarn together, take your fingers and loop the string around, take the ends and pull it through the loop, and pull it tight. Let's practice that again. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like.